Hi viewers, welcome to Virtuoso palette with another pattern of tie and dye on cotton fabric. So let's go to look, watch and observe more folds and tying of cotton for tie and dye technique. Now let's go to the corner where I'll show you how I'm folding the fabric with proper crease. Let's get started with another pattern of tie and dye. You must have seen and observed how I tied, how I folded and tied this fabric. Okay, now my water is almost ready. It has come to boil, and as usual, you must have seen in the previous video that we added a teaspoonful of salt in the boiled water, and this spoon is a bit larger than the previous one, so I'll be taking 1/4 spoon this size of dye. Let's give it a minute, and I'll dip the corner of this fabric in the dye, whether it is my desired color or not. I believe it is. So I'm putting this piece of fabric, folded and tied fabric, in the dye. I have a tong here and I'll be rotating this a little. Leave it for 2 minutes and then we'll put it in the water with normal temperature, just to leave the excess amount of dye in that water. Viewers, it's time to take out the fabric. Remember, you should wear gloves to keep your hands safe. Now I'm putting it in this water. I'll turn off the flame. Now I'm squeezing it a little. Let's rinse it. And again, because it's too hot right now, I'm leaving it for a minute, and then we'll untie the thread, the fabric, and we'll explore what kind of pattern we have. Viewers, it's still a bit hot, but it is manageable. So let's untie. You can see the steam coming out of it, and this is the pattern. This is the pattern. We have got the way we made the crease, folded the fabric and then tied the fabric. Stay tuned with another video of tie and dye pattern on Virtuoso palette. See you.